Bam! Alright guys, so I'm in a bikini. It's not to show the body, but it's to show the body. So I want to do a video of epigenetics versus genetics because a lot of people seem to get the two confused. I'm a 50-year-old woman, and before, when you were 50, when I was younger, you were an old lady. I'm here to tell you that that is not true. You be whoever you want to be, regardless of what anyone else says, because social media out there paints the view of what a perfect body should look like. Well, I am far from what is considered perfect, but it's about maximizing your genetic potential. I choose ketogenesis as my platform to protect the telomeres on my DNA, to essentially slow down cellular death. But to do that, you've got to be very disciplined. People have this idea of, in my mind, I talk to people all the time, and they're like, Stephanie, you're so disciplined. And I'm like, yes, I'd eat donkey turds out of its bung if it was to bring back the gut flora that I should have to keep my body, the body's immune system in check and in balance. So for me to have gone through 10 surgeries on my left knee and be a pro skateboarder and literally almost break every joint from skateboarding, the amount of discipline and work that I have to endure to keep my body, let's say, keeping the business on point, it's not genetics, it's epigenetics. It's maximizing your genetic potential through the belief that you can, number one, and to tune out the minutia of comments and what the media says is Bible and beautiful, and you maximize your genetic potential from the inside out, because that's what beauty is. Beauty is the freedom of independent thought to dictate your actions by what you perceive as healthy and beautiful for you, not to society standards. So, this body is a reflection of the inner stuff. And my platform is ketogenesis. So I'm almost 10 years at being strict keto with balancing my insulin and blood sugar, keeping myself more in an anabolic state to grow, right? To grow muscle rather than catabolic. Less gluconeogenesis. Now this might be a confusing video, but it's more about self-empowerment, to believe in oneself, and to be whatever you want to be. This is me. This is me maximizing my emotional, mental, and physical genetic potential. Because there's an emotional component. Your emotions and your hormones are connected to your whole body. So if you believe that you can, you will. I want to wish you guys a very happy new year and a 2018. And let's change the image of what women are supposed to be. Be whatever you want to be. My representation of beauty is muscles, strength, femininity, confidence, intelligence. That's the inner me. If you guys want to learn more, you can go to stephanieperson.com. And as you know, I'm writing the ultimate keto book. There's only one version of ketogenesis. You can't refeed and all these things. You're either in or you're out. And I want to really go in and explain to you guys those unanswered questions, because I want you guys to do this in a safe manner, and I'm going to enjoy the new year. Because energy, 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 energy. And I'm out. Peace.